Hey, you wouldn't guess what happened, like, the same week of that last, storm video. Yeah, there's another storm. How about that? So, you get to watch some lightning and listen to me talk to you for another 15 minutes. Except the lightning's a lot less frequent, but a lot more powerful. It's lighting up the sky. I went through the frames of the last video and I found like some of the raw lightning bolts, and I know my grandma loves to see those. Just raw lightning. Like, not just lighting up the sky, but like bolts streaming across the sky. I mean, if you were living on Venus, you'd probably see that very often. Well, a lot of these flashes are not getting picked up. That's weird. I'll use these other the across the street lights. Nope, it's not doing it. You can hear the rain. Oh god. Oh god. Yeah, like most of these flashes are not getting picked up. What to heck? Just in.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 a.m. and now includes the following counties in Ohio: Fairfield, Fayette, Hocking, and Pickaway. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Oh.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 a.m. for the following counties.
Oh boy. We're about to get slammed, dude. That's a dude with 2 zeros. D-O-0-0-D. Most of these lightning flashes are not getting picked up. Am I really going to have to exercise that tornado precaution that I mentioned to my mom 3 days ago? For instance, if there is a tornado coming towards our house, I was trying to arrange my computer's wires so that I could just unplug it, stuff it all in a big tote. Like, all the things I want to save. Like my monitor, computer, and stuff like that. Stuff it all in a tote and take it downstairs so we could at least save something. And I'd recommend, like, anyone else in our house also, like, prepare to just take all your belongings, stuff them in a tote, and take it downstairs and protect it, so that when we get a new house, that assuming that a tornado destroys ours, then, you know, maybe we'd have like some kind. Maybe we'd still have some kind of like stuff left over. Here it comes, big crash. That wasn't very big. Wind's picking up. For reference, here's the across the street lights. None of these are getting picked up! What the heck? Only like the big flashes that like really light up the sky. What the heck? It's just like a black screen for you guys. But for me, I'm seeing like all these tiny little flashes. Here comes that heavy rain. What? Something appeared at the top of my screen. What? What is that? What is it capturing? Oh, that's the reflection of that thing. Okay, can you... Oh! Okay, can you capture something else? I know I shouldn't have. Now it's trying to focus on something that it can't focus on. And you're missing all the good stuff. If I'm filming a light show video, you better at least have something to see. Otherwise, the whole point of the video is kaput. Kaput. What? Who the hell uses that word? Kaput. It's getting really cold. Really chilly, really breezy. Like, I keep getting tempted to, like, point my camera over here so you can see that I'm still filming something. That's actually the reflection. Ooh. I'm sitting in a metal chair. That's actually, like, a terrible idea. That's as terrible of an idea as having someone with roller skates pin a rope to the back of your car and use it as a ski. Focus on this. That's where the crosshair cursor for focusing is, and it's not focusing. Why? Whatever. It's not that important. Aren't I glad this situation is happening at 2:47 a.m. Is that really heavy rain? That rain is so heavy that it activated our neighbor's security light. Brilliant flashes of light. If that knocked out our power, I would have made the joke of that flash of light was so brilliant that all the rest of the lights in the neighborhood and our house that felt like they couldn't compete, and they decided to give up. That thunder is rolling like a ball that I sent down the bowling lane. That wasn't funny. That was not funny. It was a very non-funny joke. I regret making it. Hey, you can see like some of the reflection. Where'd the lightning go? It's charging its laser. God, that 2007 meme. 2007 memes are the best memes, though. Those are the memes I grew up with. Oh, I don't think it caught that. The rain is getting very, very quiet, and I don't know why. The thunder's coming from that way. Over to the right. Well, I think the show's over. Let's check that radar that conveniently happens to be on the radar I want it to be on. 240. This is 10 minutes from there. Yeah, we should be in the middle of the red at this point. What to heck? Our cat's freaking out. Our dog has already taken cover under a chair. Wonderful place to take cover. Here's me doing a Guzma squat. Trying to film this awesome way of lightning. I am just asking to get struck, so I'm probably not going to stand in the middle of our deck. Oh. Because that would be a bad idea. It's such a bad idea. Why is it coming from over there? Oh my god. You can't see it, but the road is like... Oh, you saw that. The road, like the rain hitting the road, is like turning to steam and getting swept over to the east. That's a pretty brilliant sight, actually. I like that. That's really cool. It's like turning into vapor. And guess who's pulling in? A fellow so familiar he's actually going to be entering our driveway. Ooh. It says my iPad was like wobbling out of my hands. Yes, it's my iPad. You remember when I tried filming a frickin' with 2 C's, frickin' video on my iPhone? It's too light sensitive. It doesn't work. The whole screen is just black. You know, kind of like this video, except, you know, like you see a flash every so often. You know, well, the whole point of the video is to see flashes at night, because that's the only time storms ever occur here. Do one more flash. The video's 15 minutes. We got that watch time. Turn the M in match time upside down. You get watch time. Hey, Gramps. Doing good. I think the show's over. Oh, never mind. Yep, it's over. I said never mind, because that was a very tiny flash. I don't think we're going to see very many spectacular flashes now at this point. Really sucks.